Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys very special night akara. So guys can see my blended beans. I blend the beans with onion, pepper together. After washing your beans very well, you blend it with pepper and onion. Then you season it with seasoning and salt. So guys can see this is what I'm going to do now. Just want to show you guys. Akara is very delicious. Can use the akara for breakfast, can use it for even night food. But I'm going to use it for night food. It's night special akara. That is the title. See my oil in the fire. So my oil in the fire. Want to check whether it's hot. I will cut. Wow, this onion to check whether the oil is hot. It's ready for the akara. Then see, and add your akara. Very delicious. As belong, I ate akara. Just want to give it this night, and I want to show my people. Wow. You can use anything to drink it. Can use pap, can use tea, can use custard to take and drink it. Anything you want, you can use it and drink it. Or you can even eat it and drink water. So it depends the way you want it. It's a very special night akara. Very yummy. See it in the fire. It's what I'm going to eat with my people tonight. Wow, it's just a simple menu. Wash your meat very well. Come out all the back. Soak it in the water like 5 minutes. Then you wash it very well. After wash it, then you started doing your. So guys can see it on the fire, frying. That's how you fry it all. Then you make your tea or pap or custard to take it with it. It's just a simple menu. Anybody can do it at home. Can do it for your children for breakfast. It's a very simple menu. So just fry it and make your custard or pap or tea. You can eat it with water. Eat and drink water. That is all. It's just a simple menu. So I want to show you guys. It's a simple menu. Wow. So make it very soft. This one is soft because I don't want it strong. I make it very light. The akara is soft. You want to make your own. You want it strong. Don't add too much water to mix it so that the beans come out strong. This one is fried. This is the onion that I put inside the oil to test whether the oil is hot. Wow. Have to put another one in the oil. I reduce the light so that the tea will not be over hot. So that the akara is done very well. pan is small. I don't want to put too much. So guys can see, this is how you fry all of them. And see the akara, it's very fine and yummy. So can make your pap or anything that you want to use it and eat the akara. Very, very yummy. You guys can see why the plate is blue. Why the plate changed to blue? It's a white plate now. Why is it changing to blue? I don't understand. So thanks for watching. Please don't go without subscribe, comment and share. It's a very simple menu that I show you guys. Try it for your children. Your children will like it. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.